Most OKR platforms look great in a demo. Clean dashboards, colorful charts, cascading goals that seem to connect to everything. Then you go live, and 6 months later, nobody's updating their key results and your managers are back to spreadsheets. Here are the 7 things that actually separate good OKR software from the ones that fail in practice. Number 1, real OKR framework support, not just goal fields. A lot of platforms claim OKR support. Very few actually deliver it. What you're looking for is true cascading, the ability to link an individual's key results all the way up to team, department, and company objectives, with automatic roll-ups and clear alignment visibility. Weak tools give you a text field and call it an OKR. Strong ones show every employee exactly how their work connects to company strategy. When you're in a demo, ask the vendor to cascade a company-level objective down to an individual contributor in real time. If they hesitate or switch slides, that's your answer. Number 2, continuous feedback and check-ins. Annual reviews fail because they rely on memories that are months old. By the time you sit down for a performance conversation, half the context is gone. Good OKR software counters this with regular check-ins, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, built directly into the platform with templates that make updates quick and consistent. The key word here is configurable. Rigid schedules that you can't adjust rarely stick. Pure self-initiation, where check-ins only happen when someone remembers to do one, is even worse. What you want is a system where check-ins are prompted, tied directly to OKR progress, and turn that progress into something actionable, not just a note that sits in a feed nobody reads. Number 3, performance reviews that actually connect to OKRs. This is where a lot of platforms fall apart. Review workflows look polished in demos, but break down when you try to run a real cycle. You need flexibility, 360-degree feedback, employee self-assessments, customizable templates with your own questions and rating scales, and support for different review types, annual, mid-year, project-based onboarding. But the most important thing is this: OKR progress should surface automatically inside reviews. No manual copying, no switching between systems to find someone's key results. The conversation should be grounded in real data, without anyone having to do extra work to get it there. If the platform treats performance reviews and OKRs as 2 separate modules that don't talk to each other, that's a problem. Number 4, analytics that actually tell you something. Dashboards with colorful charts are easy to build. Useful analytics are not. What you need to see: goal completion rates by team and department, manager engagement with check-ins, alignment gaps, which teams have goals that don't connect to company objectives, rating distributions to flag potential bias, and ideally, links between OKR achievement and business outcomes. And this reporting needs to be accessible at every level. Employees, managers, and leadership should all be able to see what they need without someone exporting a spreadsheet. Here's a practical tip for demos. Ask to see a real, anonymized customer dashboard from a company similar in size to yours 6 months after go live. Placeholder data in demos is very common, and it tells you almost nothing about what you'll actually be looking at once you're live. Number 5, integrations with the tools your team already uses. Isolated tools die from low adoption. If employees have to leave their primary workspace to update OKRs or log feedback, most of them won't. The integrations that matter most depend on your stack. If your organization runs on Microsoft 365, you need a platform with native Microsoft Teams integration. Not a connector, not a Zapier workaround, but something that embeds check-ins, feedback requests, and OKR updates directly into Teams. TeamFlect is built specifically for this. If you're on Slack, same principle applies. Native Slack integration, not bolted on. For your HRIS, whether that's Bamboo HR, HiBob, Workday, or something else, you want automatic employee data sync, org chart updates, and onboarding flows that don't require manual maintenance. Number 6, ease of adoption. This one is underestimated almost every time. The most powerful OKR software on the market is useless if your managers avoid it and employees only open it when HR sends a reminder. When you're evaluating platforms, go beyond the demo. Check G2 and Capterra reviews specifically for comments about onboarding, setup complexity, and day-to-day usability, not just the aggregate star rating. Ask vendors directly, what's your average time to first completed OKR cycle for a company our size? A confident, specific answer is a good sign. Vagueness is not. Number 7, transparent pricing and total cost of ownership. The price you see on the pricing page is rarely the price you'll actually pay. Advanced analytics, deep integrations, unlimited OKR cascades, custom review types. These features are often locked behind higher tiers. What looks like a straightforward per-user monthly fee can double once you add the modules you actually need. Bottom line, start with your strategy, pressure test the demo, and don't let a good-looking dashboard distract you from the questions that matter. If you want to see how some of the best OKR platforms stack up against these criteria, we have a full breakdown in the article linked in the description.